जनरली पॉडकास्ट के पहले मैं डिस्क्लेमर देता नहीं, बट कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जो कि इतने सेंसिटिव है दैट वी एक्चुअली हैव टू गिव अ डिस्क्लेमर बिफोर वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. Feminism is a very sensitive topic. I've literally received information and messages from groups stating that we do justice to this topic. So honestly speaking,
Yeah.
I really cannot say कि हम justice कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे. We'll share our thoughts. महक बत्रा, our guest for tonight, will share her thoughts. एंड आई होप कि कोई ऑफेंड ना हो. इन केस आपको कोई बात अगर हमारा बुरा लगा तो प्लीज हमें माफ करेगा. यू आर फ्री टू गिव अस मैसेजेस एंड इन केस प्लीज डोंट टेक आवर वर्ड्स इन अ रॉन्ग मैनर. We are just here
Yeah.
to promote humanism. We are just here to promote what is good for the society and nothing else. Our motto has always remained to spread happiness, wellness, and I hope that with this podcast we do the same. So welcome everybody. पॉडकास्ट का सबसे अमेजिंग चीज ये है कि ये मुझे सारे ज्योग्राफिकल बैरियर्स तोड़ कर लोगों से मिलने की ऑप्शन दे रहा है. जिन लोगों से मैंने कभी बात नहीं किया, कभी उनको देखा नहीं, उनको मैं विद अ क्लिक ऑफ बटन मिल रहा हूं. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि द अदर पर्सन कॉल माई सेल्फ लकी कि जो दूसरे पर्सन जो है वो लोग भी काफी ज्यादा अप्रोचेबल है. दे आर रेडी टू प्रोवाइड अस द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड आई होप दैट इट इज क्रिएटिंग अ होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट फॉर एवरीबडी. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट अमेजिंगनेस, we have with us Miss Mehak Batra. Now she's
Hi, Shashank.
Hi. So she's a bioinformatician who holds a deep interest in research. She has a wonderful Instagram page called Hearts Meet Minds, where she talks about a lot of socio-medical conditions जो generally आपको Instagram के pages में नहीं मिलेगा. She talks about topics which are not talked by everybody. And that is why her page has grown substantially during this period. She has just begun a page during the lockdown, I believe, if I'm not wrong, and it has done really well. She has talked about topics like vitiligo, men's health, which is amazing because ये सब सारे topics जो थे वो एक taboo consider किए जाते थे when it comes to society, and I really feel proud that we have such an important person sharing such important information to us. So, Meg, honestly speaking, it's actually an honor that you're with us. एक कॉल में कभी जिंदगी में आपसे मिला नहीं हूं एंड आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया एंड यू आर रेडी टू स्पीक अबाउट सच अ सेंसिटिव टॉपिक दैट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट. एंड दिस इज नॉट
एब्सोल्युटली माय प्लेजर.
मैं जेन्युइनली चाहता हूं कि मैं आपको थैंक करूं इस चीज के लिए. सो महक, हाउ डू यू फील? एनी ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम योर एंड? यू आर वेटिंग.
हाय शशांक.
Hi Shashank, how are you? I hope you're well.
Yeah.
Well, for the opening statement, first of all, a big thank you to you for inviting me to your show, and I feel you have done a great justice by bringing this topic up because it is something that needed to be said.
Definitely.
And I'm a person who believes in both practicality and real talks, and I believe you believe in the same.
Yeah.
So I think your podcast is the best medium through which I could express my views, and I hope all our viewers will listen to the entire conversation and then make their comments, because I know this topic can get real sensitive and it might offend a few people, and I genuinely don't care usually what people say or say and what I feel about my views, because I'm a very proud and confident girl who knows what she's talking about, and I speak with my heart and soul, and I feel that all my views are strictly on the basis of what I feel, and I'm sorry if it offends anybody beforehand, but I genuinely hope that it does justice to a few people, and that is all that matters. Making a difference for a few is also a big thing.
Wow, so that is lovely. Yeah, that is lovely. So like महक, जैसे आपको पता होगा कि हमारे पॉडकास्ट का जो सिस्टम है, मैं यूजुअली जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको फेंकूंगा दैट विल बी अ बॉम्ब, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन द पॉइंट.
All ready for it.
Pakka. So like in the 21st century, like we are all in the 21st century, we live in the era of Instagram, Snapchat,
Absolutely.
YouTube, Google. So we're just a click away from all the essential information. We are a click away from posting anything which is wrong. And we call ourselves a bit developed also. So why
tech
are
savvy.
we talking? Yeah, tech savvy also.
Tech savvy.
I believe lockdown has made us tech savvy also. So like, why are we talking about feminism? Why feminism right now?
All right. Well, Shashank, I feel that talking about feminism in 21st century is as important as talking about feminism back in those days when feminism word did not exist. And you will ask me how. Let's go back. Let's go back real back. in Satyug or in the Yuga of Sita and Ram and Ramayan, right? Us time par bhi there were, you know, things happening. For example, Sita was abducted by Ravan, and back in the Yuga of Mahabharat, where Draupadi was, you know, चीरहरण किया गया था उनका भी पांडवों के बिहाफ पर, and she was gambled away. उस टाइम पर भी फेमिनिज्म उतना इम्पोर्टेंट था, चाहे उसका प्रीटेक्स्ट अलग था, चाहे उसके फॉर्म्स अलग थे, चाहे उसके नॉर्म्स अलग थे, जितना आज इम्पोर्टेंट है. आज भी अगर हम देखें कंट्री में देयर इज अ वेज गैप बिटवीन मेन एंड वुमेन. देयर आर नो equal laws and rights for both the genders, be it men or women. Men still don't have the right to have custody of their child after marriage, and men still don't have the right to file for a divorce, especially in India. And that is huge. That is a big gender inequality law that India still faces, and that has led to so many oppressions of women over men. And that, unless all these inequalities are eradicated, I think feminism is important. And feminism उस टाइम पर अगर अलग फॉर्म्स में लड़ा जाता था, फॉर एग्जांपल सीता को हनुमान जी ने फेमिनिज्म की फॉर्म में बचाया, या फिर कृष्ण जी ने द्रौपदी को बचाया, शायद आज मैं या आप या फिर ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग जो फेमिनिज्म मूवमेंट में बिलीव करते हैं, वो ना जाने कितने लोगों को बचा रहे हैं, राइट? और जैसे कृष्ण जी बोलते हैं, आई एम अ ह्यूज बिलीवर ऑफ Gita and Mahabharata and everything that's mythological and cultural. I believe कृष्ण जी बोलते हैं कि अगर जो जुल्म करता है वो तो होता ही पापी है, बट जो जुल्म सहता है वो इक्वली पापी होता है. तो अगर मैं और आप आज इस बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, या फिर ये कंटिन्यू रहा फेमिनिज्म के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, या उन लोगों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो ऑपरेशन या फिर कोई ऐसी इनइक्वालिटी फेस नहीं करना चाहते, आई फील फेमिनिज्म इज इम्पोर्टेंट. बिकॉज किसी ना किसी को तो लड़ाई लड़नी है ना, चाहे वो आप है, चाहे वो मैं, या फिर कोई और जो इस मूवमेंट में बिलीव करता हूँ. आई थिंक फेमिनिज्म इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल्सो I'm sorry, this is taking time, but I think the show is about this, right?
Of course.
Well, do you know there's a concept of Vishakha guidelines? I'm sure कुछ लोग जानते होंगे इसका. क्या आप जानते हैं?
Yeah. In the corporate, I just know that it is in the corporate.
Yes, absolutely. Yes. So in corporate world और especially MNCs में HR department वाले लोग जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, I'm sure वो जानते होंगे. There's a Vishakha guidelines that was issued back then. और Vishakha guidelines कहाँ से आती है? इसका pretext is related to feminism. कोई ये बात जानता नहीं है generally. Well, there was this lady called Bhavri Devi who was a Dalit woman. She was a social worker, and she was fighting for stopping women child marriage back in the days in 1992, which was huge because एक दलित होकर वो भी एक उस बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग कर तुम ऐसी मूवमेंट के लिए लड़ रहे हो, that is huge. And that woman, just to stop her from expressing her views, she was raped by those upper caste men who oppressed her and wanted her to shut up. But that woman still hasn't got justice. That woman still is fighting for her case, and those men are roaming free. Or there was a group of NGO called Vishakha NGO who fought her case, and they are still fighting for that case, but they made sure that no other women faces this kind of oppression in the workplace, and therefore they issued a Vishakha guidelines which made sure that no women faces sexual harassment act in today's world. But have you ever wondered that there are still sexual harassment cases or no laws for men to face sexual harassment? Because facing sexual harassment for a man is laughed at in India. No man can file for a case, especially under Vishakha guidelines, because that guideline states for women rights, and no man can approach HR by saying confidently that I am being sexually harassed, and that is sad. And you asked me why in 21st century feminism should exist. Well, you tell me now. Should it exist?
I think it should exist, and जो चीजें improve होनी चाहिए, definitely improve होनी चाहिए. And मैंने तो इन्हें बॉम्ब फेंका था मैडम को, और इन्होंने मेरे को ग्रेनाइट बनाकर वापस मेरे ऊपर ही डाल दिया कि आप आंसर कर दो. ये तो
That's how I do it.
ये तो गलत बात है जी. I will ask you my favorite question. तो शायद सारे viewers को भी आपको पूछने का बहुत मन कर रहा होगा. Do you support feminism, or मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ क्या कि आप एक फेमिनिस्ट हो? क्वेश्चन मार्क.
Well, yes, I am a pro-feminist and I know before ऐसे सब ready होंगे comments में लिखने के लिए oh feminist. So I'll very simply say that I am a pro-feminist and I believe in the idea of feminism. Women were always somehow oppressed by patriarchal society, and that is true still in some of the areas. And I still believe that feminism was something that was important back then because evil patriarchy, oppressed women in the name with the rights to vote, education, or right to speak, or even right to, dress. They were oppressed in all the forms. And I understand that feminism is related with so many misconceptions and so many facts which are twisted now. Feminists today are believed to be man bashers or man haters, and I don't feel that. I love people. I support the idea of humanism before feminism. So I believe that it is not something that began with the idea to hate men, or it began with the idea to be sexist, or began with the idea of misandry or misogynist. It began with a very simple idea to bring women equal to men. And that was the basic idea behind feminism, which is misunderstood and twisted in so many forms.
Mm-hmm.
And so many misconceptions are eventually leading to feminism believing in the idea that they are either against marriage, or they are either against being house workers, or either against being housemakers. That is not the case. I am a girl. I believe in the idea of marriage. I believe in the idea of feminism, but that does not mean that I am against all those things which my morals and my values and my cultures have taught me. And I am a proud feminist. I believe in the idea of feminism, unless the idea goes by the book, unless the idea goes by what actually it began with the thought of. And that's all. I am a feminist.
That is lovely. That is such nice. कि you actually clarified कि आप एक feminist क्यों हो. You also drawn out the idea कि actually feminism का मतलब क्या है. That we bring both men and women on equal powers. Everybody is equal. शायद तक difference कभी होने भी नहीं चाहिए. कभी शायद difference
I think
होने नहीं चाहिए.
the differences still there are some cases in which economically, socially, or politically, and individually also, on individual levels also, there are many differences which are created between gender roles or gender-biased society. Mm-hmm. But feminism began with the idea to bring all those factors to go on an equal point. Whether you are, just because of a biological difference, you can't state that somebody is socially different, right?
Correct.
Just because you were born a man or you were born a woman, then that does not make you socially different in any form of the way. Today, women are doing things which once were oppressed by men.
It's great, yeah. That is something which is very awesome. हमें चीज समझना चाहिए. शायद बहुत जनों को इसके बारे में पता नहीं था. And you clarified their doubts. I myself was not clear कि आखिरकार जो मैं थोड़ा बहुत जानता हूँ वो actually सही है या नहीं है. And thank God that it is actually very similar.
I'm glad.
Very, very similar to what I was thinking. That's awesome.
So Shashank, I think you have asked me a few questions. Now it's my turn also, no?
Sure.
Feminism की बात हो रही है तो मुझे भी राइट मिलने चाहिए. Just kidding. Alright, so you feel that feminism is a universal concept, and जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि feminism अभी नहीं बहुत पहले से शुरू है. What is your take on feminism? How do you identify yourself? Are you a feminist? Question.
Okay. So this was not coming. This was nothing. जो मेरे पास आ रहा था.
Not called for.
ये तो नहीं आ रहा था. But देखिए मेरे को actually feminism के बारे में उतना आइडिया नहीं था. जो मैंने अभी आपसे जाना है. If that is what feminism is all about, तो I don't think कि फेमिनिज्म को सपोर्ट नहीं करना इज एनीथिंग. मतलब आई गेस इट्स अ नॉर्मल थिंग ना. फेमिनिज्म तो शायद सपोर्ट करना ही चाहिए. इक्वल राइट तो आने ही चाहिए. एंड सबको बराबर का मौका मिलना चाहिए. वो तो शायद सभी लोग बोल रहे हैं. ह्यूमैनिज्म इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आई बिलीव. राइट. जो गलत है वो गलत है. डिपेंड ही नहीं करता ना कि वो लड़का है या लड़की है. जो गलत है वो गलत है. कुछ लोग गलत होते हैं और वो गलत की वजह से प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, शायद एक मूवमेंट, शायद कुछ चीज जो है वो एक अलग शेप ले जाता है. आप खुद सोच के देखिए. व्हाट आई फील पर्सनली, एंड आई डोंट नो इफ पीपल वुड एग्री और नॉट. अगर कोई रेप केस हुआ है, किसी के साथ में ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, हम अगर वहां फेमिनिज्म बोल रहे हैं या लड़की है ये सब बोल रहे हैं, तो आप मुझे बताइए, वी आर कॉल्ड एज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, आर वी एक्चुअली एक्टिंग एज ह्यूमंस? मतलब थिंक अबाउट इट. किसके थ्रू वो पर्सन गई है, what has happened to that person, तो शायद तक हमें ये कॉन्सेप्ट, मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता क्या है, बट ये तो नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग है यार, आपको उसका हेल्प करना चाहिए, ऐसी थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं आनी चाहिए. द अदर पर्सन हु हैज डन दैट, ही इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग, वेदर इज अ गाय और एनीबॉडी, चाहे कोई सा भी हो, आप गलत हो तो आप गलत हो. एंड शायद तक ये अप्रोच है, इसकी वजह से इतना रिलेक्टेंट है. आप खुद सोचिए, इफ आप रात को अकेले चल रहे हो, ठीक है, डू यू फील सेफ अराउंड? ऑब्वियस बात है, इन 21st सेंचुरी आल्सो डू यू फील सेफ अराउंड? ठीक है, नॉट सेफ. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि ऐसा माइंडसेट बन चुका है लोगों के केस में कि अगर कोई पर्सन जेन्युइनली आपका हेल्प भी करना था, बिकॉज वी फील दैट यू माइट बी इन एन अनसेफ सिचुएशन आल्सो, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि माइंडसेट इस तरीके से हम लोग का हो चुका है कि आपको भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा, इट्स अ नॉर्मल थिंग, मैं भी शायद विश्वास नहीं करता. एंड देयर वी लाई दैट कंडीशन की जहां सब इक्वल हो जाएंगे. एंड यू ब्यूटीफुली कोटेड आल्सो कि जब बायोलॉजिकल डिफरेंसेस ही तो है, जब बायोलॉजिकल कोई डिफरेंसेस नहीं है तो हम लोग सोशल डिफरेंसेस क्यों कर रहे हैं? एक ही जन की तरफ से हम जिनको इतना रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, मदर्स, उनको हम इतना रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, उनके तरफ से दोनों जन आए हुए हैं. द डे आई फील व्हेन बोथ ऑफ देम यूनाइट, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, हम आपके साथ भी वैसे नॉर्मली बात कर पा रहे हैं, अपने जैसे दोस्त लोग होते हैं वैसे भी नॉर्मली बात कर पा रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी चिल्ड. एट दैट टाइम आई फील दैट वी हैव रियली डेवलप्ड. एंड आई रियली डोंट वांट टू गो अगेंस्ट एनीबॉडी, मेरा कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है, दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक.
सेम हियर.
Yes, that is what I actually think. So like Mehak, you told about कि feminism थोड़ा change हुआ है like over the period of time. तो like what has actually changed in feminism? क्यों कुछ लोग against चले गए हैं, कुछ लोग for feminism आ रहे हैं, कुछ लोग against आ रहे हैं? What has actually changed in the due course कि feminism has become such a topic to talk about?
Well, I think this is my favorite question so far, and I'll tell you why. Have you heard the term pseudo-feminism or pseudo-liberalism?
Something opposite of what it was meant.
Yeah, maybe. Pseudo means false, and feminism, so detail में मैंने बता ही दिया आपको. What has changed over time is, Shashank, that the definition and the concept of feminism has been twisted to a level that people have started hating the concept. People have started misunderstanding the concept, and that is because of all the things happening in our society right now. For example, I came across this study, this story, which literally, gave me a goosebump. There was a man who was crying on a national television in news, basically asking for justice because being a man in India, you cannot fight for a divorce. You cannot ask law to accept that you have to fight for a divorce or you have to have a custody of your child. There was this man who was accused, like falsely accused by his wife about the cases of domestic violence, and the wife left within, an year and a half after marriage, and she took her child along with her. And basically वो अपने बच्चे से 7-8 साल नहीं मिल पाया. वो अपने बच्चे को ये भी नहीं बता पाया कि वो गलत भी नहीं था. वो eventually that man committed suicide, and that man said that he was asked for 50 lakh sum to basically have his divorce, और वो जो उसकी वाइफ थी उसने उसे डाइवोर्स भी नहीं दिया. उस बंदे को अपनी वर्थ या इनोसेंस प्रूव करने के लिए had to commit suicide, and that is the extent that pseudo feminism is going to. You can falsely accuse a man, you can falsely say that a person has illegally done something against you. You can falsely accuse somebody without giving them proof, and they'll still be accused, and they'll still be, they can't prove themselves to be innocent. There was this incident back in Delhi also where a girl called Jasleen Kaur falsely accused a guy who was a Sikh guy, basically, and she posted a photo online saying that this guy has, said some mean comments to her and slut shamed her, basically. And that video went viral and everything, and the guy was fired from his company, and he was falsely accused all over the social media, and all the feminists came bashing at him, and this all happened. And this all are the reasons why feminism in India is not supported, because फेमिनिज्म और सूडो फेमिनिज्म को इतना ज्यादा गलत रिलेट किया जाता है. ये दोनों टर्म्स और ये दोनों मतलब जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं वो आपस में नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल है, और लोग ये नहीं समझते कि जो फेमिनिज्म है वो किस में बिलीव करती है और सूडो फेमिनिज्म है वो किस में बिलीव करते हैं. I am a pro-feminist, but I am against pseudo-feminism. I don't believe in that concept. I don't believe in women oppressing men just because they have a legal right to a divorce, or they can have, certain amount of sum. For example, I'll ask you, being a man, you know, you must have heard about cases of dowry, but have you ever thought that alimony, or, we can say legal dowry, is example of pseudo-feminism? मतलब अगर आप शादी करते हो किसी से और 10 दिन में आप डाइवोर्स फाइल कर देते हो, the male will have to submit a specific amount to the wife just because she filed for a divorce, and that is legal dowry. That is where feminism or rules of India go wrong, and that is all those things that I don't agree to. That those are all the things that pseudo feminism relates to, and both these concepts should be kept separate and should be understood by the. कहते हैं ना एक गंदी मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. That is what pseudo feminism are. Those pseudo feminists have contaminated the whole idea of feminism. People who believe that feminism is about male bashing or making men feel inferior or getting superior from men is the idea of pseudo feminism. All those misandry, misogynist, or sexist thoughts began with the idea of pseudo feminism. Feminists never believed into creating a barriers of gender biased roles, or it did not bring about the effect of creating any kind of imbalance between both the genders. It began with a very simple thought of bringing women equal to men. But pseudo-feminism has basically turned and twisted the whole concept. And that is where people are finding it falling to be called themselves a feminist, because they don't know that what they are talking about is pseudo-feminism. For example, if you say that there are false allegations on some men, that they are falsely accused of being involved in an extramarital affair, or they are falsely accused of raping somebody, or they are falsely accused of stalking somebody online. It's so easy nowadays, right? All you have to do is accuse a man, and the man will not have any proof that he's all, innocent. And that is where the idea of pseudo-feminism began. And that is where people are generally appalled by the idea of feminism, because feminism को इतना misunderstood concept pseudo feminism की वजह से किया जाता है, क्योंकि pseudo feminism ने overtake कर लिया है उस basic concept को जो बहुत pious movement थी, और pseudo feminism उसका बिल्कुल opposite और contaminated version है जो लोग समझ नहीं पाते, that they are completely different. I'll tell you what feminism is. I'm sure कि लोग अभी इस वक्त मुझे बहुत कुछ बोलना चाह रहे होंगे और बहुत यूज, क्योंकि हर इंसान के साथ गलत होता है. जैसे आपने रेप का एग्जांपल दिया, मैंने डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस या ऐसे केसेस का एग्जांपल दिया जहां मेन को भी ऑपरेशन फील हुआ. I'll tell you what real feminism is. I'm sure you must have heard about Malala Yousafzai.
Of course.
She is a girl. That's the real reason of feminism. वो लड़की जो पाकिस्तान जैसे कंट्री में she can stand against terrorists and be shot at in the head and still graduate from Oxford University is the real example of feminism. And you say, or people, I'm not saying you, I'm sure, but people around there say that you should not support feminism. I think you should definitely support feminism. What you should not support is pseudo-feminism. And you should understand that both these concepts and both these equations are completely different.
That's something wonderful. That's so nice. Actually, वही कि concept कहाँ पे गलत हो जाता है वो हमें जानना जरूरी है. किसे हम सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उसे जानना जरूरी है. एंड आई बिलीव कि ये पॉडकास्ट से हमें क्लैरिटी मिल चुकी है कि आपको एग्जैक्टली कौन सा पाथ फॉलो करना है, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट इज समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट. सो लाइक महक, क्या आप हमें कुछ और इंस्टेंसेस बता सकते हैं कि कब ये सब चीजें हमारे फेवर में जाता है, कब ऐसा कुछ किया है लोगों ने जिससे हमारा जो मूवमेंट है on the and the moment that you are supporting, that you have to support feminism, that really supports that.
Yeah, हम जैसे लोग, for example, हम कहते हैं कि men to identify themselves as feminist शायद बहुत बड़ी चीज है. Like if you say you're a feminist, people will come bashing at you. People will say, why are you a feminist? Because the concept is misunderstood. But if we go back to the era of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who beautifully designed our constitution, he was a feminist. And you'll ask me why? Well, he made sure that women had the right to vote. He made sure that India में लड़कियों को भी या women को भी उतना right मिले जितना males के पास है. for the right to vote, and that is huge. That is huge for people back in that era to have the right to vote. जहाँ यूएसए या यूके जैसे शहर में वोट करने के लिए लोगों को सड़कों पर प्रोटेस्ट करने पड़ते थे. Similarly, I believe Savitribai Phule, who is an inspiration to so many women, she began with the basic idea for the right to education for women. She opened up a school, and her husband and she did a wonderful job with that idea. And the fact that I'm sitting right here and speaking to you, or I'm confident enough to come on camera and say all this with well-read education, is because of her. And I am proud that she was a feminist. I believe that feminism is something so beautiful. And similarly, there was this lady, Tarvinder Kaur, who was burnt alive by her in-laws just in the name for dowry. And she is the real reason that there were laws made against dowry. There were laws made against, those oppressions. People have sacrificed their lives, and people have gone through a lot. For example, Tarvinder Kaur, or, Bhavri Devi, who was raped. So all those examples are the women who actually reflects the idea of feminism, not those pseudo-feminists who claim themselves to be feminists. You can't say somebody, for example, somebody who claims themselves to be a jihadi or claims themselves to be a, patriot in the name of terrorism, kills a million of people and tell themselves that they do it for the love of God. You can't say that they're right. They're doing it because उनके दिमाग में वो प्यार कर रहे हैं अपने देश से, या वो अपने जिहाद के लिए कुर्बानी दे रहे हैं, तो वो गलत ही ना. Similarly, pseudo-feminism है. Pseudo-feminism अपने दिमाग में लड़ रहे हैं फेमिनिज्म के लिए, but what they're doing is actually wrong. And that is what I believe.
It is something very nice. So like Mehak, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, like our last question for today, कि these existing concepts which are going on, हमारे कुछ concepts change हो गए हैं over the period of time, good, bad, that really depends on us, how do we adopt it. तो like और क्या चीज changes हमारे जरूरी है आना, बिकॉज लाइक मैं ये बोलूंगा कि जैसे अपब्रिंगिंग होता है फ्रॉम जब आप छोटे रहते हो तब से लेकर जब आप बड़े होते हो तब तक ये जो जर्नी होता है, इस दौरान भी आपको कई सारी चीजें सिखाई जाती है. एंड ये सब भी शायद एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन हो सकता है एज टू हाउ डू वी फंक्शन एंड हाउ डू वी डेवलप. तो व्हाट डू यू फील कि कुछ चेंजेस है जो कि आना जरूरी है इन रिलेशन टू शायद फेमिनिज्म या अपब्रिंगिंग या फिर थॉट प्रोसेस? व्हाट डू यू फील?
वेल, आई थिंक शशांक, होता है ना कि आप बच्चा वैसे ही ग्रो करता है जिस एनवायरनमेंट में या जिस अपब्रिंगिंग में आप उसको पालते हो. जैसे हमने देखा होगा, बहुत सिंपल एग्जांपल और बहुत लाइक नॉर्मल चीज है जो हम सब देखते हैं. जब एक बच्चा छोटा होता है तो लड़कियों को डॉल्स या किचन सेट या ऐसी चीजें पकड़ा दी जाती है जो बेसिकली एक दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू डॉल अप, दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी द होम मेकर, दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू हैंडल किचन. जो लड़के होते हैं उनको तुम बचपन में ही कार्स या फिर ऐसे टॉयज देते हो जो रोबोट्स या ऐसे टॉयज जो मैनली होते हैं. व्हाट इफ द गर्ल वांट्स अ रोबोट? व्हाट इफ द बॉय वांट्स अ बार्बी? बचपन से ही जेंडर बायसनेस हम शुरू कर देते हैं बच्चों में. और मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि ये गलत, ये इतना नेचुरल है कि हमें एहसास भी नहीं होता हम ये कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये स्टीरियोटिपिकल थिंकिंग जो हम बचपन से बच्चों की मूवमेंट्स कंट्रोल करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, ये इवेंचुअली इतना बिगर इम्पैक्ट डालती है उनके माइंडसेट पे और उस सोशल डिफरेंस को क्रिएट करने में, जिस सोशल डिफरेंस के लिए मैं और आप अभी बात कर रहे हैं या मैं और आप लड़ रहे हैं. तो ये कल्चरल जो हैबिट्स हैं जो हम बच्चों में बचपन से डाल रहे हैं, ये इवेंचुअली बहुत बड़ा बैरियर क्रिएट कर देती है टू व्हाट अ मैन एक्सपेक्ट्स फ्रॉम अ वुमन और टू व्हाट अ वुमन एक्सपेक्ट्स फ्रॉम अ मैन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मैन एक्सपेक्ट्स द वुमन टू बी द होम मेकर. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक लड़की है जो सुबह से रात काम करके ऑफिस से वापस लौट रही है, शी इज स्टिल एक्सपेक्टेड टू मेक द फूड. But a man who is doing the same job is not expected to come back home and make the food for the family. Gender biasness is created. क्यों नहीं बोलते हम लड़कों की कि चल आज ये थकी हुई है तू खाना बना दे? कोई भी नहीं बोलता. या बहुत छोटा एग्जांपल है, जैसे मेरे घर में मेरा एक छोटा भाई है. अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल रोटी बना रही हूँ तो why is not my brother expected to at least cut a salad or to serve the food? वो तो हम चल मैं अपने भाई को बोल सकती हूँ कि go serve the food, help me serve the food. But not everyone is taught the same. Not everyone is expected to do what should be expected to do. Should be expected. और मेरे हिसाब से वो बेसिक सोशल डिफरेंसेस जो बचपन से क्रिएट होते हैं वो इवेंचुअली वो बड़े डिफरेंसेस बनाते हैं, जहाँ पे हम वो उस लेवल की बात तक पहुंच जाते हैं कि लड़के स्पेसिफिक वे से एक्ट नहीं कर सकते, लड़के रो नहीं सकते, लड़कियां लड़कियां रात में ज्यादा देर बाहर नहीं रह सकती, दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू कम बैक होम ऑन टाइम और दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू रिटर्न आफ्टर डार्क। क्यों? क्योंकि अब भी वो डिफरेंसेस हैं। और मैं और आप कितना मर्जी भी कह ले कि हमारी सोसाइटी अर्बन हो गई है, मॉडर्न हो गए हैं, या हम फॉरवर्ड हो गए हैं, या वेस्टर्नाइजेशन आ गई है, आज भी you, I, or any other woman out there in this world, or any other man out there in this world will feel unsafe once they're out of their houses. And that is the reality. That is the truth behind the society. We cannot deny all those things. For example, there was this movement or exhibition that was held in Belgium, which was known that "What Are You Wearing" exhibition. That held exhibition of all those women who were, all the feminists came together and they wore clothes of the people who were rape victims, right? And they showed how, not the clothes were offensive, or not those clothes were provocative enough to, appease men, or to bring men to be provocative enough to, get raped. And that movement showed that, rape या कोई भी ऐसा crime जो women या gender के खिलाफ होता है, and I'm not saying that men are not raped. Men are raped even, and that thing is not talked about in our society. That thing is something that's laughed at. And how can a man be raped? But that is the real truth. That लड़कियों के बारे में फिर भी मैं ये कहूंगी कि अवेयरनेस है और फेमिनिज्म अच्छी बात है फैल रहा है. But I think what needs to be done is to bring about men also. If we talk about equality, we should talk about them too. If we talk about equality, if we talk about women being raped or women being oppressed, I think men are oppressed too. Correct. And it works both the ways. Totally. And I feel what needs to be changed is the social development you are developing in the upbringing of a child. Those mental development that you're creating and inculcating the values while they are small, while they're young. And that is what will create a difference. That is what will create not create those biological differences जो हम social differences या हम वो बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
Yeah.
So like what we can conclude from the entire conversation that we had from Mehak Batra is that आज तक जितनी भी लड़ाई हमारे यहाँ हुई है ना, कभी भी आप सोचो कोई भी लड़ाई अगर हुई है तो वो सोच की वजह से हुई है. ठीक है, नॉट offending anybody, but आप सोच के देखो कि सारी लड़ाई आज तक सोच की वजह से हुई है. जाति धर्म लड़ाई सोच की वजह से, सब कुछ वुमेन मेन नॉट इक्वल सोच. आई बिलीव वो सोच है जो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट हम लोग अपना सोच सही करें, एंड इट इज टाइम दैट वी ट्रीट एवरीबडी एज इक्वल. इट इज नॉट जस्ट मेन्स राइट्स, नॉट अबाउट वुमेन्स राइट. इट इज फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. दे आर इक्वल, दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दे शुड बी गिवन द इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस. दैट इज व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कमेंट्स लाइक कि तू लड़की होकर ये कर रहा है, ये गलत है यार. लड़की है तो क्या वो नहीं कर सकती है? या फिर अबे तू लड़का है रो मत. That is something
ये नहीं कर सकता. Exactly.
That is something which has to be avoided.
Which is very basic, which is so normal, and which is said, which is done, and which is so common that it is not acknowledged.
Yeah, इतना common है ये. Yeah, correct. इतना normalize हो गया है कि हमें एकदम normal लगता है वो सब चीजें. और जैसे for example, we talk about rights, right? If I tell, you know what, you should not wear this. If I comment like that, you should not wear this. So you absolutely have the right to say, you know what, I can wear whatever I want. That is absolutely correct. But अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि you know what, I think this color would look better on you, और या फिर ये चेंज करके देख एक बार, that doesn't mean कि मैं ऑब्जेक्टिफाई कर रहा हूँ, यही बता रहा हूँ कि आप गलत पहन रहे हो. मैं ये बता रहा हूँ शायद ये सजेशन सही होगा. जिस तरीके से एक गर्ल
कोई बात है ना यार कि कई बार क्या होता है, not everyone's intention is the same. Not everyone's intention is to belittle you or to objectify you. They genuinely do want to praise you, or they genuinely do want to approach you, or they genuinely do want to compliment you. But those things are not considered or taken normal because of all those bad things that are happening behind, and all those bad things that people have experienced in the past. For example, someone who has been sexually harassed will not look at the other person with the same point of view as he would have looked at the other person back then.
Correct.
So it happens. Experiences change you. Experiences can, change your mindset. Yes. And that is where our society is going wrong. I think that you should understand where the person is coming from. You should understand.
Right. I think a lot of things has been raised also in different mediums, but yet और जरूरत है इसकी वजह से शायद लोग अभी भी बोल रहे हैं, अभी भी बातें कर रहे हैं. It is important कि हम लोग समझे कि चीजों को एक्सेप्ट करना हमें जानना चाहिए, चीजों को मानना चाहिए कि यार नॉर्मल चीज है, हम इसे और टान कर या फिर और स्ट्रेच करके को हमें मतलब नहीं है. I really hope that I see the world where we are equal and not just of equal is जो आप लोग अभी बात कर रहे हैं, equal as in कि यार सब सेम ही तो है, सब सही तो है. Talking to a girl is normal. And शायद next generation में education policies के through I believe, I hope, really hope कि हम लोग इसे सिर्फ inculcate कर सके, because I believe कि उनके their generation will be the one जो कि ये शायद uplift कर सके. And I really hope कि ये चीज हो और हम थोड़ा contribute अपने तरफ से कर सके. That is beautiful that we can do. मैंने अपना opinion दिया. She explained her opinion and I believe that it was a lovely podcast. Honestly, बहुत अच्छा लगा. I don't know what I spoke. I just spoke it from my heart. I just spoke from the heart, so absolutely. I really don't know what I spoke. If I spoke anything, if I tried to speak, from both the genders' point of view, and I feel that I'm not someone who subjects a specific gender. You know, I believe in equality. I believe in humanism, like you do. I believe in the idea of bringing forth the nice values in the younger generation, so that the society, which is which is evolving, comes out to be more beautiful and like in the ideal world, basically, hopefully that ideal world will be very true and हम जल्दी achieve कर पाए. That is what is hopeful. And
absolutely,
it was lovely. अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी बात में बुरा लगा तो make sure that हमें बताएं.
We're really sorry also.
Yes,
because we cannot do something so big on a platform and not offend somebody. I hope that I have not offended anybody, but if I did, I'm genuinely apologizing on my behalf. You please let us know in the comment section what do you feel and how we missed out on something, or how we can, what else we should have talked about. Maybe we'll arrange another podcast some other day. And
इतना छोटा टाइम में possible भी नहीं है कि आप इतना important और इतने wide level topic को discuss करें. We talked about the basics about it and we are very hopeful कि अगर जिस हिसाब से response आता है, जब कुछ आता है, उस हिसाब से we can always plan something in the future also. And I hope that आप सभी में हमें time दे. आप सभी में time दे. And it was lovely. It was honestly lovely. I loved it.
It was lovely, Shashank. Lovely meeting you. Lovely talking to you. And it was my pleasure and honor to be on your channel. And I hope you all liked my views and Shashank's as well. And please do follow us on Instagram and Facebook and every YouTube. Even please do subscribe to my channel and follow my work, because I talk my heart out. And I believe in the idea of eradicating all those social barriers in the form of health or in the form of ideologies like feminism, and I feel I can bring a change. So please do support us.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Please
follow
her page. Please follow her page. Go. I'll send all the details.
Hearts Meet Minds.
Yes. I'll put in the description.
Thank you, Shashank.
Definitely. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment as usual. अगर आपने subscribe नहीं किया अभी तक और आपको हमारा काम जो है पसंद आ रहा है, तो that one button can actually motivate us a lot.
This guy is doing a lot of work and he has done some amazing content, and he is absolutely a very, 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 very true human being. I feel, I am lucky to have met him. So please kindly do follow him as well and keep supporting, keep liking, keep sharing, because a like can make a difference. It creates happiness, level of happiness that nobody else can give you, especially on a social platform.
मैंने पैसे नहीं दिए ऐसा बोलने के लिए. मैंने पैसे नहीं दिए.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. No.
I hope that you all fine and
thank you.
Everybody. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much.
Bye. Take care. Bye. Good night.
Good night.